Hi, David. Thank you for your time. Firstly,
No, thank you for having me.
to help us with this question. So recently, quite a few of our clients asked me a question that they basically have used up their loan capacity at the moment. So, with the interest rate increase a few months ago, they might still have enough, and then suddenly they don't have enough. So,
Mhm.
and then at the same time, a lot of people are still confident on the property market.
Mm.
Including myself, of course, we don't have the crystal ball. We don't know which direction is going. But when the price is going down, a lot of people have the confidence they still want to invest. So what should we do if we have used up the capacity?
Yeah, so it really depends on their goal, right? What are they trying to buy and what their investment goal is. But there's one loan product that a lot of investors don't know about. It's called Lease Doc.
Okay.
So basically, what we look at is just the lease of the property that we're taking as a security.
Mhm.
As long as they've got 12 months lease left on the property, and it's yielding a very healthy yield, we'll just use that as a servicing. We won't look at your current assets and liabilities. We will ask for it for a compliance purposes, but to work out how much you can borrow, we'll just base it on the lease. The only caveat is it needs to be a commercial property.
Okay.
Now, the I would say currently, well, we can go up to 70-75% LVR for lease stock. The rate currently is sitting comfortably at 7%. So what I would say the rule of thumb of finding the right property is it should have a net yield of around 7% per annum, if not more.
Okay. Okay. So 7% on the price of the property.
7% net yield, yes, of the purchase price of the property.
Okay, that's like return on investment, right? Basically,
That is correct.
so say for a $1 million house, you need to be say, I'm calculating it. Is that
70
70K?
grand.
70
Yeah,
grand a
70K.
year. All right. So once a commercial property is meeting that requirement, that means someone can purchase it and you just utilizing everything from the bank, right? Using the loan, basically. They don't have to provide income statement or similar to other loans to verify that they do generate that much income for themselves, otherwise apart from the rental income.
That's correct.
Oh, okay, that's great. Yeah. But that also involved they need to find a good sales agent, right? Or like a buyer's agent to find that the perfect commercial property for
Mm.
them. Or unless they can go around to find a good property that's providing that yield. Is that the only requirement? Just the
I
yield,
mean,
the return on investment? Are there
yeah,
any
just
other
just
things they need to
just
consider?
the yield. We would look at the property itself as well, whether it's specialized property or non-specialized property. Preferably, well, for non-specialized properties like a warehouse, for example, we could go up to higher LVR. That's the
Okay.
only difference. Look, buyer's agent is highly recommended because it's going to be very, very tough to find the right property with the right yield,
Yeah.
given the current market.
Yeah, that's right. When you mentioned LVR is the loan versus um is that
Loan to value ratio.
okay, loan to value ratio. So that means say if it's $1 million, I'll just use an example. If
Mhm.
the LVR is say eight, is that eight how would you say 80%?
70%. Normally
70%
we
is
could,
30. Yeah,
yeah, we could
then
go up
that's
to
great.
75%.
Okay. So if it's 70%, the 30% need to be the initial investment from
Yeah.
the owner. Is that right? Yeah. So that means
Initial
300.
contribution, initial deposit, plus stamp duty as well. They need to come up
Oh,
with that.
okay. Oh, okay. Then 70% can basically the bank will provide the loan for that part.
That is correct.
Okay.
So if you purchase $1 million property, the bank will, well, the lender will lend you seven hundred
700.
thousand
Yeah.
dollars. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. All right. That's cool. That's perfect. I think that's all my questions about this stock.
fantastic.
Yeah. Thank you so much for helping us with the
Not a
session.
problem.
Okay. Thank you so much, David.
Thanks,
Well,
Brenda.
I mean.